So hello you guys and welcome back to my channel for people who know me and people who don't know me. Hi, my name is Dhruvi and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my review on two foundations. Both these foundations are from same brand but are from two different variants. So yeah, if you're interested then keep on watching till the end. So these are the both foundations I was talking about. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless foundation and this one is the Maybelline Superstay foundation, 24 hours full coverage foundation. So I'm gonna be comparing both these foundation and will be making it easier for you guys to choose one of these. So yeah, so I've made certain sections like coverage, formula and all that. So firstly I'm going to be talking about packaging. This is the Fit Me foundation, Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is how it comes. This dhakkan is of plastic and it's a glass bottle. So yeah, and this is pump. So क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं यार?
Oh God, please, no! No!
सो इट कम्स विद अ पम्प एज वेल बिकॉज बहुत ही ईजी पड़ जाता है अगर पंप होगा तो, अगर पंप के बिना होगा तो ऐसे ऐसे निकालते निकालते ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट पड़ता है. सो यूजुअली पीपल प्रिफर pumps. So yeah, this is the pump one. It comes with a glass bottle and this is of plastic and it's of 30 ml quantity. So the next one is the Maybelline Superstay foundation. This also has a plastic. This is the glass and this is also 30 ml bottle. You will get 30 ml in both these foundation. Both these foundations are glass. The bottles are glass and the upper portion, the dhakkan, is of plastic. So the Maybelline Fit Me foundation has medium to full coverage, which means you can build this foundation, but it's also good for everyday kind of if you are going with everyday look, but it will be easier to build because it says that it's medium to full coverage foundation, and that's true. You can build this foundation really well. The next foundation is this Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. By the name itself, it says that it's full coverage. It's totally full coverage. If you want to make this foundation for daily use, you can mix your foundation and a nice moisturizer with it and you're good to go. This is a very full coverage foundation. So I'm going to be talking about which skin types can use this foundation. This foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, it says that this is used by normal to oily skin type because this is a very matte foundation. It dries really quickly, but if you are a dry skin type, make sure you moisturize your face really heavily so you can use this foundation. But if you are a normal skin type or oily skin type, this is the best foundation you can go with in summer days. And the next foundation is this, the Maybelline Superstay. This is also a normal to oily skin type foundation. This is a very matte foundation as it says by its name. So if you are oily and a normal skin type, you can go with this, but if you are a dry skin type, make sure you moisturize your face really properly. So if you are a normal skin type or a oily skin type, you can use this foundation, but if you are a dry skin type, make sure you moisturize your face really heavily before using this foundation. So the Maybelline Fit Me foundation is for 549 rupees. Get more cheaper than this on Nykaa or Purple or Amazon or Flipkart. Whenever it's on sale, it's definitely on sale always. You can check this out. It's only for 549 rupees and you will get this much of amount. So the next is this is the Maybelline Superstay foundation and this is for 750 rupees. you will get 30 ml of amount, as it's full coverage foundation, more costlier than the Fit Me foundation because it's for everyday medium coverage. But this foundation is full coverage, so it's costlier than that one. So the Maybelline Fit Me foundation has 18 shades on Nykaa, Amazon and everywhere. It's easier for you guys to choose your perfect shade. Make sure you don't go too darker or too lighter than your skin tone. Make sure you swatch it right here and check your shade. It has 18 shades. So the Maybelline Superstay foundation has 18 shades available in India. So you can check your shade and get this foundation. Yeah, I think it's pretty much that's it for this video. I think all your doubts about both these foundations are got solved. If you have any queries or any questions related to these foundations, you can drop that into my comment section, or you can DM me on my Instagram. I'll leave somewhere here on my screen. So yeah, I think it was helpful. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you follow me on my Instagram. I usually make good content on my Instagram and I'm daily active on that, so make sure you do that as well. Bye.